Like local feel. What the is bar.
Oh really?
Bar,
they have a
yeah.
bar? Should I go?
Hi everyone. So we are finally in Oregon. We're not quite at Portland, Oregon. We are at the Dallas of Oregon.
The Dallas.
It's yeah. So we're here at the Dallas Cousins Inn. This place is so cute.
Borderline of Washington.
Yeah, we saw like so.
We're still borderline of Washington.
Yeah, so like there's this river called Columbus River, and it's you could literally see Washington from there. So we're finally here. I've been like obsessed with lodges and inns. There's like I don't know, it's so cute here, like the vibe. They do have a bar here and a breakfast place, and it feels so local. Maybe that's why I really like it. I don't know, but it's really cute here. We're gonna totally check out the breakfast place tomorrow morning. But we just got in. The drive was not normal. I mean, definitely better than snowstorm, but it did rain. It's very gloomy. We were aware of that, but I'm very excited to be here back at Oregon. It's been a very long time. What should we do? It's just whenever we just check into these lodges, we just want to have a beer and some
relax,
good food and just
I drove over 9 hours today.
And we make sure to get double queen because Ahmed gets his own bed. And he knows it by now. I really think he expects his own bed whenever we check in now. So, right, Ahmed? Right? Look. We do have to find a camp spot tomorrow, but a lot of places are hike-in, and I sort of want to avoid that because it's just, if I could avoid it, I want to avoid it. So I had to do a little bit more research tonight and figure out exactly where we're gonna stay tomorrow. I wish I could stay here tomorrow, but defeats are the purpose of this trip. We're gonna relax now. I need undies. Oh, it looks so good. Wow.
Holy.
진짜 너무 배고팠어.
그런 거 같아. 아침에 하며 짖는 거 빼고 한 번도 안 일어났어요.
You didn't wake up when he jumped up?
Oh yeah, I did. Where was he?
At the bathroom. 왜? 피곤해서?
나 저 옷 가지고
it's first come, first serve, so we're gonna head there as fast as we can. I don't think it's gonna be busy at all. It is a weekday. Right now, there's a little bit of sun out. It's not too gloomy or too rainy, but I know it's gonna change soon, so we wanna get there and set up our tent before all the rain and all the clouds come in. Did you have a good sleep?
Amazing.
Yeah, we had a really, really deep, good sleep. So one of the campsites that we were eyeing on, it's closed. So we tried to find a different one nearby, but the road seemed too dangerous for us to get there. A lot of rocks fallen, there's snow,
I think
trees.
it was damaged due to a storm.
Yeah, I don't know what it was, but it didn't look too safe. I don't even think anyone's gonna be there. On top of that, I don't think we should really be camping there. We're not that hardcore. So we're turning back to somewhere. We don't know.
Over the rainbow.
Yeah, I mean, the drive itself here is so beautiful. We have to figure out where we're gonna stay tonight. We're actually considering even crossing over to Washington to see if there's any open campgrounds there. A lot of campgrounds near us right now are closed for the season. A lot of BLM areas are kind of far from where we are, so we don't really want to drive there either today. So we don't know what we're gonna do today. Oh my God.
Anna. Sleepy.
Yeah, it's raining a lot. Forecast this week. And we don't even know where we're staying. Oh boy. It's like that honey bun thing that they used to sell on this vending machine. So I used to eat that one a day in high school.
Really?
So we have no idea where we're gonna go. The weather is not helpful at all. We're still unsure where we want to stay tonight. We are on this little island called Thunder Island. I don't think this is a crazy popular place, but it's beautiful still. Oh my gosh, look at Amit. Here's a tour of this beautiful place. Wow. We were on our way to this gorge and Multnomah Fall. It's one of the highest falls in Oregon. So we were on our way, and then we saw this campground. But so we had some high hopes, but the tent sites are not operating, only the RV, and I don't think we're allowed to pitch a tent on the RV site. So this place is no good, so we have to go find somewhere else.
자기가 내일 어떻게 할지. It's 2 nights actually. Feels like a vacation.
Well, I don't want us to stress about it.
It gets annoying knowing that everything's closed. You know how annoying that is?
Up. You can do it. You can do it. We should go.
Should we have a game plan for what we're gonna do tomorrow? Just click on it, I don't know.
근데 엄마가 안 하면 We're back inside a.
Do we even go anywhere?
Do we even camp? Oh my gosh. So it's impossible to find any campsites that around areas that we are heading to. It seems like a lot of state parks, state forests, like national parks are closed due to like weather. But I think it's like too dangerous for anyone to kind of go in right now because entire campsites are like not just campsites, the parks are closed.
Hike areas closed.
There are few like BLM areas, but we're not heading that way, so it just doesn't make sense for us to like go there to camp and then drive another 3 hours to, you know. So we do have one place that is open. It's more closer to
You
Washington.
sure it's open?
Yes, I reserved it, so I know it's open.
Perfect.
So that one we have to go in 2 days. So we have today and tomorrow. But today we figured out we're staying at another motel by the Cannon Beach. But tomorrow we don't know what we're gonna do yet. So that's something that I'm gonna figure out today, because today I try to just kind of go with the flow and we ended up here and
We
it
went
wasn't.
to many different sites.
Yeah, we're exhausted. I mean, I think we're exhausted in a little different way today, so we decided to just kind of, if we're gonna check in, just check in a little early.
Well, we decided to come here to see that beach.
Yeah,
And then
the haystack. I mean, I think part of this whole trip and this journey was to stay more flexible and open-minded. I mean, I'm not complaining. We're under a roof, a hard roof. Look at him. Today we only have one bed, so hey, we have to share. Just letting you know, this is not just for you. It's cozy in here. Hi.